What you doing? What are you doing? What's that? What's that out there?
Red light.
What is it, Claire?
No more.
No more. Oh, there was a big one. Are you too tired to watch fireworks?
No.
Are you done?
Yeah.
You want to go to bed?
No.
Want to take a shower?
Yeah.
You can see the fireworks?
No
Come on,
more.
we're going to see the big explosion.
No more.
No more?
It's empty.
It's what?
It's empty. Bye.
Bye, fireworks. Are you done? You've had enough?
That's enough.
You've had enough?
Let's go in. No, I can't.
What? You want to go in?
Yeah. Say bye. Bye.
Say bye, fireworks. Can you say happy 4th of July? You change your mind? Yeah, you want to see them? There they go. Ooh, there's lots now. Pretty cool, huh? Are you watching fireworks? Claire, what are you doing? Hey. What's going on outside? What's going on outside? What's happening? What is all that? Claire, what is that? What is it?
Something in my foot.
There's something in your foot? Do you like the fireworks? You're done now? You just can't decide? The fireworks. What color?